General-purpose computers are those that can be adapted to countless uses simply by changing its What is the name of the visible silver rectangle which separates the take-up portion of the magnetic tape from the data recording portion? A part located in the central processing unit that stores data and information is known as a software package to perform calculations on data arranged in an array is What was the name of the first stored program electronic computer which was built in 1949 at Cambridge University in England? A computer with CPU speed around 100 million instructions per second and with the word length of around 64 bits is known as a computer program consists of an input device which can read characters directly from an ordinary piece of paper is Which of the following is not a part of the CPU? Which of the following chips can be reprogrammed with special electric pulses? In this world of fast-changing computer technology, one of the most important factors to be considered while purchasing a PC is, it should have a provision for a collection of 8 bits is called the ALU of a central processing unit does the essential maths work for the computer. What does the control unit do? Which of the following storage and retrieval methods would be well suited to your processing requirements if you only need to retrieve records one at a time and there is no fixed pattern to the requests for data and records? In modems. Which is a secondary memory device? A storage device which is used to store data and information external to the main storage is known as In a PC, how much memory is available to application software? For a memory system, the cycle time is the number of records contained within a block of data on magnetic tape is defined by the binary equivalent of the octal number 13.54 is What process prepares the magnetic surface of a disk by creating concentric circles, called tracks, around the disk? Each track is further divided into pick-shaped sections called sectors. What does the acronym VGA stand for? Which part of the diskette should never be touched? The storage locations in the internal storage of a CPU are called which is used to provide the site information to the right person at the right time for proper decision making. Most disk drives have a single read/write head for each disk surface. What is the advantage of sewing multiple heads on each movable access arm? One of the main features that distinguish microprocessors from microcomputers is which type of display is the latest to be used for portable computer. Which of the following is not true of future computers? The EAM device that does not use a control panel is the Whenever a peripheral is being controlled by the CPU, it is said to be online. If additionally, the computer files are updated as soon as any change takes place, the system is called. The following is true about 2 out of 5 code. The Josephson tunneling device illustrates principles associated with the advanced storage technique. Which of the following statements is true? Communication between computers using standard telephone service. A floppy disk contains. When an input electrical signal A equals 10100 is applied to a NOT gate, its output signal is. The first practical commercial typewriter was invented in 1867 in the United States by What is meant by quad density, QD, diskette? Large computer system typically uses. First-generation computers are characterized by Can you tell what passes into and out from the computer via its ports? What is the general name of the device which produces hard copy graphics? When a disk stack is serviced by a comb-like access mechanism, there is one read/write head for each. In which year was UK's premier computing event called the Which Computers Started? In comparison to the internal, main, memory, tape or disk memory is. Which of the following input/output devices is not associated with personal computers? The ALU of a computer responds to the commands coming from. The heart of any computer is the. Which of the following are likely to jam the read/write head of a disk pack? Impact printers. Which of the following is not a practical data processing approach? Bitmap terminal. A 32-bit microprocessor has the word length equal to. The register which holds the address of the location to or from which data are to be transferred is known as. In simplex transmission. Each model of a computer has a unique transistorized computer circuits were introduced in the Those microcomputers which have the same operating characteristics as the IBM microcomputers are called IBM. Communication ports are found on the back of microcomputers. They are used to connect the computer to underscore. Which is considered a direct entry input device. In a computer system, which device is functionally opposite of a keyboard? The first firm to mass market a microcomputer as a personal computer was the data appearing first in the left portion of punched card is Which one of the following is termed a combination input-output device? The process of writing computer instructions in a programming language is known as Which of the following is not true of a magnetic disk? A regular TV set can be hooked up to a computer so as to receive computer signal instead of a television program. This hooking up is achieved with the help of an output device that uses words or messages recorded on a magnetic medium to produce audio responses.